everyone, this is Mahima Singh, legal advisor at Dialyzy, and today we'll talk about the scope of subject matter. ठीक है, within the scope of the subject matter. The second important ingredient in constituting ये जो है second important ingredient है for constituting a tort is a legal damage. In order to prove an action for tort in the court, the plaintiff has to prove that there was a wrongful act, an act of omission which is resulted in breach of legal duty or the violation of legal right. So there must be a violation of legal right of a person, and if there is no violation of legal right, then there can be no action under the law of torts. If there has been a violation of legal right, the same is actionable whether the plaintiff has suffered from any loss or not. This is expressed by the maxim injuria sine damno, where injury refers to infringement of the legal right of a person and the term damno means substantial harm, loss or damage to the individual. The term sine or sine means without. So, however, if there is no violation of legal right, no action can lie in a court despite of the loss, harm or damage to the plaintiff caused by the defendant. ठीक है, तो ये क्या कह रहा है कि एक मैगजिम है इंजूरिया साइन डेमनो, जहाँ पे इंजूरिया का मतलब होता है इन्फ्रिंजमेंट ऑफ द लीगल राइट, साइन का मतलब होता है विदाउट और डेमनम का मतलब है सब्सटेंशियल हार्म, लॉस और डैमेज टू दैट इंडिविजुअल. नाउ इसका जो टोटल, अब इसको हम एग्जाम्पल समझने की कोशिश. A runs a successful school. After 5 months, another school opens nearby, due to which A suffered heavy losses in the business. Here he has suffered no legal damage but has only suffered damage in terms of business value. So he cannot sue the competitor school for any kind of damages, similar to the case of Gloucester Grammar School case. ओके, सो ये क्या है कि ए है, उसने स्कूल ओपन किया. आफ्टर 5 months बी ओपन्स स्कूल इन फ्रंट ऑफ एज बिल्डिंग. नाउ ए सफर्स लॉस फ्रॉम द सेम, बट इधर ए कैन नॉट क्लेम डैमेजेस. ठीक है, क्योंकि इसने जो है बिजनेस जो बेसिकली इसने बिजनेस लॉस हुआ है, इसको कोई लीगल डैमेज नहीं हुआ. ठीक है, नाउ we'll see in the next video the factual significance of legal damage is illustrated by 2 maxims. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video.